Do you feel overwhelmed by trading tools? Let me simplify things for you. Hi, I'm Dimitris Achilleas and welcome to TradeVizion. I'm not a professional trader, but I'm someone who loves trading, programming and learning from the best in the industry. Here, I create tools inspired by legends like Larry Williams, Mark Minervini, William G. O'Neill, John Carter and many others. Tools designed to make trading simpler and more accessible for everyone. And one more thing. English is not my first language, so my accent might sound a bit different, but I hope that's okay, because I want to share my passion with you. On this channel you will find tutorials to use the tools I create, ideas to help you add these tools to your trading style, and lessons I've learned from the great traders. My tools are not perfect, and they are not for everyone. That's why I suggest you to try them, test them, and see if they work for you. If you enjoy learning and exploring new ways to trade, hit the subscribe button and let's make trading simple and more fun together. See you in the next video.